So what company are you from?
Hi, I'm Brad. I'm with Northern Choo Choo, NCC for short. We have been taking care of the train wheels, and this week we made the end plates. They go on the very front and back of the train.
Right on. So last week, I think we just had the assembly of the outside wheels.
Yeah.
So you guys have done quite a bit of work thus far.
Yeah, we've got all the wheels attached to the frame now, and we've got a big section of the other company's got a big section of the bed plate done. So yeah, it's coming along quite nicely.
And working well with the other company?
We are. They're very easy to work with.
Andrew's class is building a train. What are your thoughts?
Well, I think it's an excellent project in order to help demonstrate the different roles of what it takes to accomplish a project. And I also like the idea of how they're taking on a project that involves multiple different parts that have to come together to complete one project. I think that's going to be neat to see. They're doing very well on the project, and it's going to be cool to see it all come together at the end of it.
Where is it going when it's done?
Right in front of our building on second line.
Use this time now to subscribe.